Hello, good morning. This is QBH Technology borescope manufacturer. I'm Tom. Today I'm so happy to introduce a Wi-Fi inspection camera MV01. This Wi-Fi inspection camera can be used with your iPhone, your Android phone, also your tablet. You can use this inspection camera to take photos and record videos. Also you can see in dark size because 6 LED lights. Also you can see places in the water because its camera is waterproof. Also, this Wi-Fi MV01 inspection camera is patented by Germany, also patented by China. And it got certificates of CE and FCC. Okay, let's see what's inside. It's a manual, a Wi-Fi box, a phone card hold. It's a wrist bag. Hold like this. A USB cable for charging. Also another cable to transmit. A side view mirror. And finally, the snake probe camera. Like this. A snake, like snake. Okay, let's get it to work. First, we should connect this snake probe with this Wi-Fi box, and then long press on the on-off key and short press on the Wi-Fi key. And to connect this Wi-Fi box with your smartphone, here we got two smartphones. One is iPhone and another one is Android phone. To connect these two devices, we need an app first, and the app name is borescope. And for the first time to connect this Wi-Fi box to your smartphone, we should find out the Wi-Fi signal from your mobile phone. Here we got a Wi-Fi borescope, this one. And for the first time to connect, we should input the password. And this one I have already inputted the password. It is 80. After we connect with the Wi-Fi box, and then we open the app, and here it works. Also the iPhone, we also inputted the password and download the app. Let's open it. Now you can see that it works. And now you can take photos and record videos. Take photos, more photos, and turn on the light if the image is not very clear, or if you want to see the dark room. Here, light is on, and let's check its image. And this snake probe is waterproof. You can see now it is in underwater, and see the menu. And we can take photos and record videos. Now this smartphone is recording, and this one we can still take photos and more photos. Okay, I would like to use this MV01 to check my air conditioner, and you can see the traditional cable is very soft and cannot reach the outside, but with this center-rigid probe we can reshape it, and then we can reach the outside very easily. And you can see it's very dark. We can control this switch to turn on the light, and then you can check the image is very clearly in the screen. Right? It's very clearly. Also, we can take photos, record the videos of the image in front of the camera. Now it is recording now. Okay, so if you want to have one piece MV01 inspection camera, welcome to contact us. If you want to resell it in your country, welcome. Thank you.